How to delete all of your Facebook photos at once. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook photos at once, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that three-bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy, and go for settings. And if you scroll down here, you will have activity log. Tap on that, and then you will have public post option on the left. You can simply tap on that public post, and here you will have all of your posts. So if you want to delete all of that post at once, then here on the upper left side you will have all option. You can simply tap on that box which says all, and then you can go for recycle bin which is on the bottom, and after tapping on recycle bin your post will be deleted. So that's it. That's how you delete all of your posts at once. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.